kill you. Fuck dog eyes.
Can you do me a favor?
Oh, probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcement. You should probably be gone before they get here.
公司跳樓貨，平到你唔信。GDP 攞佢哋好喎，啱啱睇咗堅尼地城嗰度，幾多億？私自買煙。喂，整體包。
Move!
Hey, big man, you want some
Coming
new
through.
clothes?
Is the new guy around?
我煮佢想死啊！好啊，大佬，成個禮拜就係等呢一嘢啊！咩事啊？啲嘢唔講得少喎！我都幫你搞錯咗喎！捱啊！
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦。I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. This week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of dog eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No， 唔好要我講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食咪多過你食米啦。我知我係啱嘅，小屎忽諗嘢啦！
唔好話你知啊，你唔好。嘿嘿，大家 special deal 裝死人咩？
我呢邊追啫。
You like noodles?
係啦。
Hey,
This looks
you want
fake.
food? Come on, let me show you around. Clear out!
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner. Anything you need at the market, come talk to me. You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you!
Coming through! Oh, shit!
救命啊！做咩款手啊？喂，做咩啊？
哇！
小心啊，黃道啊！退休啦，就I need your help. Kill him! He needs to be killed! Map me now, bitch! Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking rock! 踢屎忽鬼㗎 ！Kill him! Can somebody fucking kill him, please? Should I run? I want to run! Dog guy's gonna kill you!
Fuck dog eyes! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, okay, but please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
睇人，快走啊！咪喐，手低。Hey, hey, watch it.